The EMRAM or EMR adoption model is a maturity model to measure the uptake of IT in acute hospital settings. The uptake of IT not so much in terms of functionality, but more in a logical order that enables healthcare facilities, particularly acute care hospitals, to generate benefits from the use of IT. So, although it looks a little bit as if it was a roadmap towards the implementation of IT, I would rather say it is a model that enables hospitals to benchmark themselves against peers on how far they are in the use and deployment of IT towards realizing benefits for the betterment of healthcare. I see two aspects of importance to healthcare organizations. One, the tool is an objective tool that is used internationally, not even only in Europe, but really globally, to benchmark against peers. Benchmark on an objective scale. And the second point, which is also very important, is the identification of best practice. The leading hospitals, those at the highest stages, stage 6 and stage 7, are of course those hospitals from which other hospitals may want to learn. Learn in the terms of what sort of benefits can you realize at what stage. Learn in terms of pitfalls to be avoided. Learn in terms of the pathways or the roadmap towards implementing IT. Now we have statistically significant relevant data for all of Italy and several other European countries, and of course due to the collaboration agreement with Arsenàl.IT, we have a complete picture of the Veneto region. If I compare Veneto against the rest of Italy, it becomes very clearly apparent that in many aspects Veneto is leading, sometimes by a factor of 1 to 3. So, for example, the penetration in some functionalities is 75% in Veneto region versus about 25% in the rest of Italy. I think one example is CPOE use. So by and large, I would say that Veneto is ahead of the rest of Italy. And in some aspects I found it interesting comparing Italy, Veneto region in Italy against Spain, Germany, Netherlands. I found similarities even between Veneto, more similarities between Veneto and Netherlands overall than I found between Veneto and Italy.